Alright, check it out, guys. I'm here with the ultimate mini RC truck, the Wltoys 284131. Pretty sick, guys. Got that armor and fraction look. Has lights all around, front, top, and rear. I changed up the wheels to some low profile. Check that out. And I got an FPV cam right in the middle there. So we're gonna definitely do some FPV today. Alright, guys, let's go for a run. Alright, let's go, guys. Alright, guys, Wltoys 284131. Ultimate mini RC truck. See you guys on the next video. Later.